Okay, who else wanted to play? Whiffy? Where are you at? Oh, there we go. Back to comp. Oh god, no! Unless you want to play with a Mumu one trick, I don't carry shit in that game. What, TFT? Oh, League? Oh god. I was like, what the fuck is Amumu? It's his mag only account? Oh god. What if it gets banned? Then what do you do? Pitchy time, pitchy time, pitchy time. Hi, SEAL team, what up? Time to Q comp. Zorb! You're worse than I am! Dog! Oh my god. You need help. Peach time, peach time, peach time. I'm a baby, I'm a baby, I'm a baby, I'm a baby. Let me get Freaky Burger. Oh. Never mind. Never mind. Where's my Jeff? Where's my Jeff? Can I play DPS? Bucky only account. Yeah! My goat. My goat. Went to the wrong house assuming it was a homies to find my phone, and because I tried to walk in, he punched me directly in the between the eyes. Oh, wow. That's fun. I'll stop when I'm GM1. Oh my god. And then keep doing it until I'm Celestial. You need help, bro. Woke up with an insane migraine and black eyes. I learned that day me and vodka are not compatible after more than 3 drinks. Oh my god, lightweight. Purgatory, baby, sink your teeth into me. Twisting on it, she's serpentine. Purple, purple, baby. Peaches, baby. I'm a baby. Hi, Saul. Good morning.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What the hell?
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
I can't even do that because I float. Oh, there we go. I did it. Oh my god, my eyes. Ah! Now I'm falling. Whoa.
That doesn't like fun.
Are we friends? I want to be friends. Alright guys, I'm on their team now. I'm on their team now. I'll be like, I'm on your team now.
He is going to send us off the edge.
What is this match? I don't know.
I think he canceled on accident.
Oh.
Okay, fuck you.
Murder him.
Okay, thanks, Spider-Man. You're a bitch.
A storm is brewing.
Give me whiskey. I'll be fine after having a liter. What the fuck? Oh, just vodka? What the hell? I was told to keep up the homie made strong drinks. Okay, not you being peer pressured.
Ouch.
Okay, fuck that Spider-Man. Fuck that guy. Mixing vodka brands? Fuck that shit. For real. Get the fuck out of here. Stupid. I can't believe I'm seeing Whiffy on Scarlet, bro. Where egg? I don't know, redeem it. Are you still in comp? No, I stopped. I was on my rank up to Celestial and I lost! But yeah, I'm like GM1 50 points. I need 2 wins. That's it. That is it. Get the fuck out of here. Stupid. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Oh, they got the payload. Oh. Frickin' Loki. Okay, okay, okay. Why are we tooting and farting and shit? Oh. Oh.
A timely boost.
I can drink whiskey like it's water. It's great. Fuck whiskey.
I'm
Ew.
surprised I hit that.
I hit the nay-nay on him. Aha.